welcome back to my channel. Be optimistic. Hope you all are doing well. Today I'm here with another video on IELTS listening. In this video I will let you guys know how you can attempt match the information type questions and IELTS listening and get the accurate answers. In these questions you get information like the match the headings and the IELTS reading. So along with some tips I will try to explain this concept to you guys, and in my previous video I have explained how to attempt map based questions and IELTS listening. If you haven't watched that video then you can get the link in description box. And if you are new to my channel, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon as well so that you can get the notification whenever I upload a new video. And like my videos and share with your other friends as well. So let's dive into today's concept without wasting your precious time right now. Today we will attempt match the headings of CAM 12 test 6. And firstly we will read the instruction, that is, what does the man say about the play on each of following days. Means man ने ਜਿਹੜੇ plays होने ਆ following days ਦੇ ਉਹਦੇ ਬਾਰੇ ਕੀ ਕਿਆ, right? Then choose the 5 answers from the box and write the correct letter A to G next to the questions. Here we have to mention answers from letters A to G. Then afterwards we will read the given information, that is kind of like our list of the headings, and here we have comments, right? And we will try to locate some keywords so that we can easily remember those while listening the recording, right? So A option is the playwright will be present, means playwright होगा उत्थे, ठीक, right? Second option, the play was written to celebrate an anniversary. Was means ਜਿਹੜਾ play ਸੀ ਇਹਨੂੰ anniversary ਨੂੰ celebrate ਕਰਨ ਲਈ ਲਿਖਿਆ ਗਿਆ ਸੀ, right? Past. The play will be performed inside a historic building. Means play ਨੂੰ एक हिस्टोरिक बिल्डिंग ਦੇ अंदर प्ले किया जाऊगा, राइट? विल बी परफॉर्म किया जाऊगा, फ्यूचर की गल कर रहे हैं. ऑप्शन डी, द प्ले विल बी कंपनीड बाय लाइव म्यूजिक. कंपनीड मीनस ਉਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ लाइव म्यूजिक होएगा, राइट? विल बी कंपनीड बाय मीनस ਉਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ लाइव म्यूजिक भी इंक्लूड किया जाऊगा, राइट? एंड नेक्स्ट ऑप्शन, द प्ले विल बी परफॉर्मड आउटडोर्स. प्ले बाहर होगा, राइट? The next option, the play will be performed for the first time. First time means play first time perform किया जाएगा. And our last option here, the performance will be attended by officials from the town. Means ਜਿਹੜੀ performance ਆ ਉਹ town ਦੇ शहर ਦੇ officials द्वारा attend ਕੀਤੀ ਜਾਊਗੀ. Officials ਕੋਈ ਵੀ like ਜਿਹੜੇ high designation वाले people ਹੁੰਦੇ ਨੇ, right? Like ਜਿੱਦਾਂ government officials भी ਹੋ ਸਕਦੇ ਨੇ, kind of that, right? So firstly read all the list of the headings, all the given information, and try to mark your keyword. Like here playwright and present, here play was written to celebrate anniversary, and keep in mind that this is the only heading in which past tense is used. Next, performed inside historic building, and live music accompanied by live music. Next option will be performed outdoors, and next performed for the first time, and last one performance will be attended by officials from town. So next we will read the questions detail. In this listening we just have the name of the days: Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Monday. So now I will start the audio and we will try to locate the correct answers. And after each answer I will stop the audio in order to explain you guys. So start listening
and answer questions 16 to 20.
Right. Now I'd just like to make a few points about the plays we're going to see. Partly because it might influence your choice of clothes to take with you. The play we're seeing on Wednesday evening is a modern one, and we're going to the premiere. So it'll be quite a dressy occasion, though of course you don't have to dress formally.
The speaker has mentioned that the play that we are going to attend on Wednesday, it will be modern one, and we are going on its Premiere means ਕੀ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਚੀਜ਼ ਪਹਿਲੀ ਵਾਰ ਹੋਵੇ. I hope that you have listened this word before, because most of the time for the movies this word is used, premiere, right? As the word teamy premiere of this movie is going to be on this day, right? So here instead of using first time they have used word premiere, so our answer would be F. So now listen to about the information regarding Thursday.
It's rather a multimedia production with amazing lighting effects and a soundtrack of electronic music, though unfortunately the playwright is ill and is unlikely to be able to attend. On Thursday, we're seeing a play that was first performed last year when it was commissioned to mark 100 years since the birth in the town of a well-known scientist. We're going to see a revival of that production, which aroused a lot of interest.
Answer of 17th question will be B, because speaker has mentioned that on Thursday we are seeing a play that was first performed last year when it was commissioned to mark 100 years since the birth in the town of a well-known scientist. It means ਕੀ ਹੋਇਆ ਕਿ Thursday ਨੂੰ ਅਸੀਂ ਉਹ play ਦੇਖਾਂਗੇ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਪਹਿਲੀ ਵਾਰ last year perform ਕੀਤਾ ਗਿਆ ਸੀ. Here it is mentioned was written, as I told you earlier that this is the only option in which past tense is used. So here in the audio, speaker has also mentioned that when it was commissioned to mark 100 years since the birth in the town of a well-known scientist, means first time ਇਹਨੂੰ ਕਿਸੇ ਇੱਕ ਵੈਲ ਨੋਨ ਸਾਇੰਟਿਸਟ ਦੀ 100 ਈਅਰ ਐਨੀਵਰਸਰੀ ਨੂੰ ਸੈਲੀਬ੍ਰੇਟ ਕਰਨ ਦੇ ਲਈ, ਮੀਨਸ 100 ਈਅਰ ਜਦੋਂ ਦੇ ਬਰਥ ਨੂੰ ਹੋ ਗਏ ਸੀ, 100th ਉਹਦਾ ਬਰਥਡੇ ਸੈਲੀਬ੍ਰੇਟ ਕੀਤਾ ਗਿਆ ਸੀ. ਇਟ ਮੀਨਸ ਇਟ ਇਜ਼ ਅ ਐਨੀਵਰਸਰੀ, ਰਾਈਟ? ਐਂਡ ਦੇ he also mentioned that we are going to see a revival of that production. Revival means ਫਿਰ ਤੋਂ ਉਹ ਚੀਜ਼ ਨੂੰ ਲਾਈਕ ਜਿਉਣਾ, ਰਾਈਟ? which aroused a lot of interest, ਜਿਹੜਾ ਬਹੁਤ ਸਾਰਾ ਇੰਟਰਸਟ ਕ੍ਰੀਏਟ ਕਰ ਰਿਹਾ ਉਹ ਸਾਡਾ ਉਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ, ਰਾਈਟ? ਸੋ our option would be B over here. So let's move toward our 18 question, that is about day Friday.
Friday's play will really make you think hard about what clothes to pack, as it'll be in the garden of a palace. It's a beautiful setting, but I'd better warn you, there won't be much protection from the wind.
About the Friday's play, the speaker has mentioned that Friday's play will really make you think hard about what clothes to pack, as it will be in garden of a palace, right? Here you can see the play will be performed outdoors. As we all know, gardens are always located outdoors, so our answer would be E over here. And after that he have given some little more information regarding this place, like it's beautiful setting, but I would warn you, there wouldn't be much protection from the wind, right? So it is clear that our answer E would be correct over here. So let's move toward question number 19th, day Saturday.
Today, we're going by Cote Wilbur Theatre in this will not far to the Munich. Sunday, this will be the opening of a drama festival, and the mayor and all the other dignitaries of the town will be attending. After the performance, the mayor is hosting a reception for all the audience, and there'll be a band playing traditional music of the region.
And regarding Saturday's event, speaker has mentioned that we are going by a coach to a theatre in another town, not far from Munich, and this would be opening of a drama festival, and the mayor and other dignitaries of the town will be attending. Means ਕੀ ਹੋਇਆ? mayor and other dignitaries means ਹੋਰ respectful ਜਿਹੜੇ people ਨੇ town ਦੇ ਹੋਏ event ਨੂੰ attend ਕਰਨਗੇ. It means the performance will be attended by officials from the town. As you know that mayor is an official person, as well as other dignitaries. He also mentioned that. So officials, and this option is correctly matching with our question. So our answer would be G, right? And after that he mentioned that after that mayor is also hosting a reception, right? So now we will move towards our last question, that is regarding day Monday.
And after having a day off on Sunday, our final play is on Monday, and it's in the stunning setting of the Old Town Hall, which dates back to the 14th century. The performance marks the 50 years that the lead actor has been on stage, and the play is the one where he made his first professional appearance all those years ago. After that, we'll be flying back home. Now,
And regarding Monday's event, speaker has mentioned that after having a day of Sunday, our final play is on Monday, right? And it's in a stunning setting of Old Town Hall, which dates back to the 14th century. Means Old Town Hall ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਹੋਊਗਾ, it means inside ਹੋਊਗਾ, hall inside ਹੀ ਹੁੰਦੇ ਨੇ, right? Which dates back to the 14th century, means historical. It is also historical because they mentioned that it is this hall is from the 14th century, right? And after that he mentioned that the performance marks of 50 years that the lead actor has been on the stage, and the play is one where he made his professional appearance for the first time all those years ago, right? So it is clear from the inside that, and in the audio he mentioned the hall, and for the historical building he mentioned the which dates back to the 14th century. So our answer would be C. So in this way we get all the correct answers of our heading. So don't panic if you have to face with the matchings. Just mark the keywords and follow the instructions properly. As for the first, after giving the correct answers of the 16 questions, speaker has mentioned that the playwright will be ill, means playwright nahi hoga uthi. So our option A has been deducted, and after that we were left only 6 options, and after that, yes, we were left only with the 6 option, and we had 5 questions over here, and the option D was not in the any answer, because once the speaker mentioned that there will be electronic music, but no one in the nowhere he mentioned about the live music. So try to deduct the options as well while listening the audio, so that you can easily get the correct answers. So guys, that's all for today. I hope that after watching this video you guys would also be able to attempt these type of questions like match the headings accurately without facing any difficulty. And if you still face any difficulty, then you can let me know in the comment box. I will try to sort out your problem. So bye bye, take care, keep sporting.